Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing very well today. So, my name, I'm from the USA, and what is your name?
I'm Noor Mohammed from South India.
Aha, it's great to meet you today.
And nice to meet you too.
Um,
Where are you from right now in US?
well, to be honest, I now live in Europe, so I live in Prague,
In Europe.
Central Europe,
Yeah, which country you living now?
the Czech Republic.
Yeah, nice.
hmm Would you like
How long
me?
been there?
Aha, 1 year. It's like 1 year this week, actually.
Are you a teacher in working there?
Correct. I teach at language schools here in Prague.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
How is going?
Um, things were very quiet and calm during the summer, but now schools are opening, but they're having a lot of problems with COVID again.
Yeah. How is it affected the COVID in Europe and your city you're living in this country?
It was like they worked very hard in the spring to keep the things under control, and it worked well. So in the summertime, they were able
Yeah.
to do like kind of go back to normal, but now it's a problem because right as schools and universities begin, the sick numbers are climbing very high.
Yes.
Yeah. And how are things
How is
where
in
you?
yeah, here is now is cases is going up.
Um,
Yes.
you have a good vocabulary. It's easy to see that you can use a lot of good words. And what do you do
A
for
couple
work?
of weeks I talked with some around last couple of weeks I talked with some Cambly teachers from US and UK and from Australia. So I
Oh,
have the just experience.
yes. And you're hearing very different accents then when you go from US to Australia.
Yeah.
Um,
Where are you from in living in native place from US?
yeah, my home state in the USA is Wisconsin. Uh,
Wisconsin.
it's a small state.
Can you repeat
Yeah, it's a small state that many people don't know. So
me?
Wisconsin,
Wisconsin. Yeah, I don't know.
Wisconsin, yeah, it's near Canada.
Yeah.
Mhm. And have you ever traveled to the USA or to the UK?
No.
Mhm.
When you back to home, are you plan
No,
anything?
I'm actually I'm renewing my visa here, so I plan to stay.
Yeah, nowadays the pandemic.
Yeah, yeah, it's not a good time to move anywhere, and travel is so difficult right now. Mhm.
How to feel the
Yeah,
COVID
this
effect in economic?
it's something that worries a lot of us that there's a big problem coming, but it hasn't been so devastating here yet in the Czech Republic.
Hmm.
I just read a headline that the people here, employment rates are still good, but that salaries are stuck and that they're afraid there will be unemployment coming.
Yeah.
hmm So, in that sentence, you told me,
After
I pulled up a couple of words that were missing and I put them in brackets here in the
yeah,
chat.
yeah, very good.
You have a question for me, Mohammed?
Yeah, how to after the pandemic, out of the what do you think about the economic? Who will be control the China and US?
Um, what do I think or how do I feel of the economic future? Okay, China and the US.
Yes.
It's very hard to say. I think in the US, so much is going to depend on the upcoming elections. Yeah,
November,
because I think
coming November.
if Trump stays in power, he likes to be combative with China and it will be more trade problems, I think. I
Hello.
back.
The internet is problem.
So
Yeah, you said the economic US and China.
yes, I think it will. We will have to see if Trump stays in power or if it's someone else. Because if he's in power, it'll be more problems with China, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and he has a big. His view on taxes are very different than his opponent, also. So
Yeah,
yeah, our time is about
yeah.
to run up, but
Time will be finished.
great to
Finish
speak
again.
with you,
I'll
Mohammed.
catch you. Thank you.